Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can use select to speak feature in your Tecno smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to simply open your settings. Then you have to click on system, and here it is. You have to click on accessibility. Here it is, select to speak. You have to enable it. Now the shortcut is now enabled. Just you have to tap the shortcut, and just like this you can read it out loud. You can pause it from here and resume from here, and if you want to remove this, click on red button and turn off this. Like, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.